Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So just a quick little video for you today. DJI has recently launched a brand new version of the Mic Mini. Essentially, you can get this new version now with a small receiver. You'll be able to purchase this new setup as a complete kit that comes with a carrying case, 2 charging cables, 2 Mic Mini transmitters, 2 wind guards, 2 charging docks, and the new receiver. Now, if you already own Mic Mini transmitters, either 1 or 2, you'll be able to purchase this new receiver as a standalone product. And it comes in at a pretty reasonable price, $15 US. And the other nice thing is that this is compatible with other DJI mics, including the new Mic 3 and the Mic 2. You'll be able to pair 2 Mic Minis directly to it, or a combination of something like the Mic Mini and a Mic 3, or even a Mic 2 and a Mic 3 directly to it. Now, how you pair them will be a little bit different, and I will demonstrate that here in a second. The DJI Mic Mini is a great sounding microphone. It's nice, small, and compact. You can connect it via Bluetooth to smartphones and other devices, or using Osmo audio with DJI cameras, and that's going to give you an extremely minimal setup. However, sometimes you do need to connect a receiver. Receivers are going to give you better range and less susceptibility to interference. On top of that, not all applications support Bluetooth audio. However, when using the original Mic Mini receiver, your Mic Mini is not so mini anymore. As you can see, it's quite awkwardly sticking out the bottom there. And the same when you attach it to an action camera. You can see it's a little bit awkward and a little bit bulky. The new receiver plugs right into the bottom via USB-C. They also have a lightning adapter if you do need to connect it to an older iPhone. But as you can see, it's quite minimal and it's out of the way. And you can also plug it directly into the side of your DJI camera. Now, if you've purchased this as a kit, your Mic Mini transmitters are already going to be paired to the receiver. But if you do need to pair them, it's very simple. Just simply plug in the receiver. The phone is going to provide power to the receiver via the USB-C port. You're going to notice these 2 lights here are flashing green. That's signifying that there is nothing connected to it. To pair it, all you have to do is power on your Mic Mini. We're going to press and hold the linking button until that light flashes blue and green. Then we're going to press and hold the linking button on the side of the unit, which is right there. And as you can see, it went ahead and connected. The TX2 light there is now solid, and we have a solid green light on the side of the Mic Mini. If you have a second Mic Mini, again, you would just repeat the process. Now, it's a little bit different if you want to pair something like the Mic 3 or the Mic 2, either just singly to this new receiver or in combination with a Mic Mini. What we have to do is change the pairing mode, and we do so by pressing twice on the linking button, just 2 quick presses. You can see these lights are now flashing blue. So now I'm going to power on my Mic 3. I'm going to put it into pairing mode by pressing and holding the linking button. This is now flashing blue and green. So now I'm going to press and hold the linking button again on the receiver. Those lights are going to flash faster. And as you can see, it's now paired. That TX1 is now solid. So we now have our Mic 3 paired to this new receiver. And again, we could pair a second Mic 3 to it, a Mic 3 and a Mic 2 to it, or even a Mic 3 and a Mic Mini to it. Now, how we adjust some of the settings are a little bit different. At the bottom of it, you can see we have this toggle switch. It's labeled O, L, and H. That is our noise reduction. So in O, that means off. If we want to turn to a low noise reduction, we turn it to L. You can hear we got a vibration there on the transmitter. If we want higher noise reduction, we switch it over to the H. These lights will change to yellow when we have noise reduction enabled. And if we have 2 mics attached to it, it'll enable noise reduction on both microphones. How we adjust some of the other settings, such as gain, we have to launch our DJI Mimo app. It's going to detect that we have it connected, so we can go to settings. At the top here, it's going to list what microphones we're connected to. You can see it's listing the Mic 3 and a Mic Mini, and it gives us all our options that we can adjust for the receiver and for the transmitters down below. So this is going to be a nice little accessory for some people. If you want something with flexibility on the different types of microphones you're able to connect it to, and you just want something small and minimal. Now, I'm not going to do any audio samples in this video, as I've already done audio samples from these microphones in their initial reviews. So if you want to hear what these microphones sound like, I will include the links to those reviews down in the description of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.